In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a featured collection on the homepage in Shopify Dawn theme. By the end, you'll have a clean product grid on your homepage that highlights exactly what you want customers to see first. Start by setting up the collection you want to feature. In your Shopify admin, go to Products, then Collections. You can create a new collection or use one you already have. Add the products you want to showcase so that this collection is ready to pull into your homepage. Keeping the collection tidy and clearly named will make it easier to find in the next steps. Next, open the theme editor. Head to Online Store, then Themes, find the Dawn theme, and click Customize. At the top of the editor, double-check that you're editing the homepage template, not a product or collection page. If you don't see the right options later, this is the most common reason. Now add the Featured Collection section. In the left sidebar, click Add section and choose Featured Collection from the list. You can drag this new section up or down in the sidebar to place it where you want on the page, like right under your hero banner or above your footer. It might look empty at first, and that's normal until you pick a collection. With the section selected, look to the Settings panel on the right. Click Select Collection and choose the collection you created or prepared earlier. While you're here, you can set a heading for the section, such as Featured Products or Best Sellers. This helps guide shoppers and keeps your homepage organized. You can also control how many products appear in this grid. Choose how many items you want to display, like the first 4, 8, or 12. If your collection has more products than you're showing on the homepage, enable the View All button so visitors can click through to see the full collection. The order of products follows the sort settings of the collection, so adjust that in the collection itself if needed. When you're happy with the setup, click Save in the top right corner to publish your changes. Then preview your storefront and go to the home page to confirm everything looks right. Check both desktop and mobile views in the theme editor to make sure spacing and titles are readable. If you need to move the section higher or lower, return to Customize and drag it to a better spot. That's it. Your featured collection is live on the Dawn theme homepage and ready to drive attention to your best products.